Hello students, myself Sagar Choksi from LJ Institutes of Engineering and Technology. So in previous session, we have started work measurement techniques and time study concept, and that we have already completed in last session. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about new chapter, that is job evaluation and wage plan. So in this particular lecture, we are going to discuss about job evaluation concept. Number two, that is objectives of job evaluation. Number three, that is procedure of job evaluation. Okay, or steps of job evaluation. So let's start the lecture number 18, that related to job evaluation concept. So now the first question is, what do you understand by job evaluation? Okay, so here I have attached one video that related to job evaluation concept. Okay, so the first and important topic is, what do you understand by job evaluation? Okay, or you can take job evaluation and wage plan. This is the combination of two words. First word, that is job evaluation. Number two, that is wage plan. Okay, in this particular lecture, we are going to discuss about job evaluation. Okay, so what is job evaluation? First of all, what do you understand by job evaluation? So here I have attached one definition. This is very important. Job evaluation. Job evaluation, it is not quality checking. Okay, it is not that type quality checking or product checking. Okay, this related to job recruitment. Okay, job recruitment, this is very important concept. So first of all, definition of job evaluation. It correct inequalities in wages and install a systematic method of a job. Okay, it is one type of a recruitment process. That is types. Okay, so based on that job evaluation, you can calculate wage and incentive plan. So this is very important. Third one, an important concept is goal. So it is clear that you have to recruit a worker, you have to recruit a job production engineer, design engineer. So what is the goal? Okay, to clearly identify the roles and responsibility of each job. Okay, so this is very important. Job evaluation, it is one type of recruitment process. Based on that job evaluation or based on that interview, okay, wages and incentive plans are decided. Okay, you can take salary are decided. Number three, that is goal, to clearly identify the roles and responsibility of each job. Okay, so this is what job evaluation. Number two, that is objectives of job evaluation. Okay, so the first objective is to establish a sound wage and salary system by determining the worth of each job. Okay, to clearly identify the salary. Okay, based on that interview, clearly identify the salary or wage of that particular worker. Number two, to provide sound base for recruitment, selection, promotion and transfer of an employee. This is also very important, to provide sound base for recruitment, selection and promotion. Promotion based on that skill. Okay, so this is very important. Third one, an important task is to improve individual performance measurement. It ultimately increase the competitive environment. It ultimately increase the productivity and it ultimately increase your profit also. So to improve individual performance measurement, it is very important because it develop competitive organization. Okay, this is very important. Okay, fourth one is to promote good employer-employee relation. Okay, this is also very important, to promote good employer-employee relation. So these are the objectives of job evaluation. Job evaluation, this is not quality checking or product checking. Okay, job evaluation, that different thing. Job evaluation is that different thing if you compare the quality checking. Okay, job evaluation, that is the recruitment process, and quality checking, that is the product checking. Okay, establish a sound wage and salary system. So move forward to next slide. Procedure of job evaluation or steps to find out the job evaluation. This is also very important, procedure of job evaluation. So the first and important parameter is to identify the fact about the job and describe the need of that job. Okay, to identify the fact, okay, to identify the experience, okay, experience. If you want experienced person, then you have to identify the roles and responsibility. Okay, so this is very important first step. Number two, that is state the skill required to complete the job. Okay, skill requirement. Okay, this is also very important. If you find out the job evaluation, one is state the relative value of job and formulate the wage structure. So based on that job evaluation, you must find out, you must calculate, or you must determine your salary, and based on that salary you must find out your wages and incentives. So this is very important. Fourth one, an important topic is final decision or final evaluation based on job description and specification. So these are the structure of job evaluation. Okay, roles and responsibility of job evaluation. Okay, so this is very important, procedure of job evaluation. Identification of fact. Number two, that is state the skill requirement. Third one, that is based on that job you must determine the salary, wage structure and incentive structure, and final decision based on job description and specification. So move forward to next slide. Next topic is methods of job evaluation. So there are four different methods to evaluate the job. First method, that is ranking method. Okay, ranking method is very important. Second one, that is classification method. It depends on grade. Number three, that is factor comparison. Different factors are considered here. Factor comparison method. And fourth one, that is point rating method. Okay, out of 10 you have to give 9 point, you have to give 8 point. Okay, this is called point rating method. Okay, so these are the methods of job evaluation. First method, that is ranking method. Number two, that is classification. Third one, that is factor comparison. Different factors you have to consider. And fourth one, that is point rating. Out of 10 you have to give 9, 8, any of the point. Okay, so this is the methods of job evaluation. So move forward to next slide. Next topic is steps for ranking method. Here there are four methods: ranking method, classification method, point rating method and factor comparison method. So the first and important method, that is ranking method. So first of all, what do you understand by ranking method? So the first step and important step is selection of that particular job. Okay, this is very common thing, selection of the particular job. Number two, that is job analysis. Two, that is job analysis. Okay, job analysis that depend on production, that depend on design, that depend on quality checking. Okay, this is very common. Third one, that is choosing the committee for ranking method or ranking the jobs. Okay, choosing the committee. Okay, fourth one is ranking of the job, and last one and important one is grouping the job into group by the committee. Okay, so in this way you can find out the job evaluation. This is what ranking method. Okay, so this is very important. So thank you so much. In this session we have completed job evaluation concept, methods of job evaluation, and the first and important method, that is ranking method. So in next session we will discuss about merit rating, difference between job evaluation and merit rating. So thank you very much.